Let's come to the second part of the lesson. Question number 10. Our dash contains the smallest bones of the human body. So, what is the smallest bone? We know that ear bone is the smallest bone. So, our ears contain the smallest bones of the human body. Dash are present in our blood which fight infections and disease causing germs. We know that our blood, it is constituted of red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So what help us to fight infections and disease causing germs? That is the white blood cells. Dash connect our muscles to our bones, and that is tendons. The most powerful muscle in the human body is found in our discussed earlier also jaw. This question is repeated here. So the jaw contain the most powerful muscles also. Most of the digestion of food takes place inside the. We know that various digestive organs, they work together and help in the digestion of food, and they include the small intestine, large intestine, alimentary canal. All these work together. So which is that one where maximum digestion, most of the digestion take place out of these, and that is the small intestine. Most of the digestion is completed in small intestine. Averaging 48 centimeter in length, dash is the longest bone in our body, and the longest bone in our body is the femur bone. Dash help oxygen present in the air to enter the bloodstream. So what help the oxygen that we inhale to enter the bloodstream? The lungs help the oxygen to enter the bloodstream. The heaviest internal organ, whose average weight is 1.6 kg. The heaviest internal organ in our body is liver. Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by blood on the walls of arteries. Dash is the main component of our teeth and bones, that is the calcium phosphate. The main function of the dash is to remove waste products from our body. So which organ helps in the removal of waste product? That is our kidney. Let us learn about some additives also. The heart circulates blood throughout the body about 1000 times each day. So our heart, it keeps on circulating the blood in our body, and it does it 1000 times each day. The stapes bones in the ear is the smallest bone in the human body. So the smallest bone is the human ear, present in the human ear. We call it the stapes. Children have more taste bud than the adults. Lung is the only organ that floats. Bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. You must have heard about the strongness of concrete, but our bones, they are 4 times stronger than the concrete. This is all about lesson 11.